Hello guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can bypass or fix this error, failed to receive platform SIPT on League of Legends. Let's begin. First, go to your Windows Start button over here and look for Windows Defender Firewall, this one. Click on it, then go to Allow an application or feature, then change settings. So if you don't find any League of Legends in here, what you need to do is click on allow another application, click on browse, and you just need to look for League of Legends. Usually it's on your local disk C, and then over here you should be on Riot Games. So click on Riot Games. And since I don't have my League of Legends currently installed, I won't be able to select it. But this should be the right place where your League of Legends will be installed by default. So click on it, open, and then it should be added right over here. And you can just click on OK to save any changes. And pretty much this solution has worked for a whole lot of users out there. That's it. That's how you can easily get this done. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video very helpful.